Once upon a time, in a magical forest called Dongyong, there lived a group of adorable creatures known as the cave dwellers. These cave dwellers were a unique blend of animals and mythical creatures, each with their own special powers and charming personalities. The leader of the cave dwellers was a wise and gentle owl named Oliver. He had the ability to see into the future and was always there to guide and protect his friends. Accompanying Oliver was a mischievous squirrel named Sammy, who was known for his acrobatic skills and a knack for finding hidden treasures. In the heart of the forest, there was a magnificent tree that served as the cave dwellers' home. It was a magical tree that could talk and had a motherly presence. Her name was Willow, and she was an ancient tree spirit who offered wisdom and comfort to anyone who sought her guidance. One day, as the cave dwellers were enjoying a sunny afternoon, they heard a faint cry for help coming from deeper within the forest. Curious and concerned, they followed the sound and discovered a young rabbit named Rosie. Rosie had gotten lost while exploring and couldn't find her way back home. Oliver, Sammy, and Willow immediately sprang into action. Oliver used his powers to see through the thick foliage and find the path back to Rosie's burrow. Sammy darted through the trees, collecting nuts and berries to share with the hungry rabbit. Meanwhile, Willow offered words of encouragement and comfort, assuring Rosie that everything would be all right. Together, the cave dwellers embarked on a thrilling adventure, encountering various challenges along the way. They braved treacherous rivers, climbed towering mountains, and even outsmarted a grumpy old bear. Throughout their journey, they formed a strong bond of friendship and learned valuable lessons about courage, teamwork, and the importance of helping others. Finally, after many exciting twists and turns, they reached Rosie's burrow, where her worried family awaited her safe return. Rosie's parents were overjoyed and grateful to the cave dwellers for rescuing their little one. They invited Oliver, Sammy, and Willow to a grand feast in their honor, where the entire forest celebrated their bravery and kindness. From that day forward, the cave dwellers became legendary figures in Dongyong Forest. They continued to protect and assist those in need, spreading joy and happiness wherever they went. Children from all around would gather to hear their incredible stories, and the cave dwellers would always have a new adventure to share. And so, the adventures of Oliver, Sammy, and Willow, the beloved cave dwellers of Dongyong Forest, became a cherished tale passed down through generations, a story that reminded everyone of the power of friendship, courage, and the magic that lies within us all. Certainly, let's delve deeper into the origins of their friendship and how they built their company. Oliver, Sammy, and Willow, the cave dwellers of Dongyong Forest, had always been close friends. They spent their days exploring the enchanting forest, sharing stories, and helping other creatures in need. Inspired by their adventures and the positive impact they had on others, they decided to form a company called Forest Guardians. To establish their company, the cave dwellers held a grand meeting under the shade of a majestic oak tree. Creatures from all corners of the forest gathered, eagerly awaiting the announcement. Oliver, with his calm and wise demeanor, took charge and explained their vision for the company. Our mission, Oliver proclaimed, is to protect and preserve the harmony of Dongyong Forest, while spreading joy and happiness to all its inhabitants. Sammy, ever the charismatic one, added, we will use our unique skills and powers to assist animals in need, solve problems, and make this forest an even more magical place. The animals in attendance cheered, excited to be part of the Forest Guardians' mission. A committee was formed to manage various aspects of the company, with Oliver as the leader. Sammy took charge of recruitment, ensuring that only the most compassionate and talented creatures joined their ranks. As the company grew, the cave dwellers expanded their services. They set up a rescue team to aid animals trapped in dangerous situations, a healing center to tend to injured creatures, and an education program to teach the forest's inhabitants about the importance of conservation. Willow, the ancient tree spirit, used her soothing voice to narrate their adventures and spread the message of their company to every corner of the forest. Animals young and old flocked to hear her stories, captivated by her melodious voice and the exciting tales of the forest guardians. To strengthen their bond and improve their skills, the cave dwellers held regular training sessions. They practiced teamwork, honed their individual powers, and learned from Willow's vast knowledge of the forest's secrets. These sessions not only made them more effective in their missions, but also deepened their friendship. During their shared meals and cozy gatherings, Oliver, Sammy, and Willow exchanged heartfelt stories and laughter. They celebrated each other's achievements, supported one another during challenging times, and cherished the unique qualities that made their friendship so special. The Forest Guardians' company flourished, gaining recognition and admiration from all the forest's inhabitants. Their acts of kindness and bravery became legendary, inspiring other animals to join their cause and create a more harmonious forest community. As word of their adventures spread, the cave dwellers started receiving requests for assistance from neighboring forests. They embarked on journeys beyond Dongyong, extending their reach and forming alliances with other animal groups dedicated to protecting the natural world. Through their company and unwavering friendship, Oliver, Sammy, and Willow brought joy, hope, and a sense of unity to the forest. They taught the importance of compassion, respect for nature, and the power of working together towards a common goal. Their story became a beacon of light in the hearts of children and adults alike, reminding them that by embracing friendship and caring for our environment, we can make the world a better place. As the forest guardians continued their noble work, they encountered a wide array of challenges and embarked on thrilling missions. One such mission involved rescuing a family of lost foxes who had wandered deep into the treacherous enchanted swamp. Guided by Oliver's foresight and Sammy's nimble agility, they navigated through the swamp's murky waters, avoided treacherous quicksand, and outsmarted mischievous water sprites. Their rescue efforts extended beyond animals. When a severe storm struck Dongyong Forest, causing widespread damage to the trees and homes, the forest guardians sprang into action. With Willow's deep connection to the forest, she summoned the strength of the elements, and together with Oliver's guidance, they led a massive restoration project. Animals from all walks of life joined in, working tirelessly to rebuild and restore their beloved home. The forest guardians also recognized the importance of education and spreading awareness about environmental conservation. They organized workshops and interactive sessions, inviting the forest's inhabitants to learn about sustainable practices, such as recycling, planting trees, and preserving natural habitats. Through these efforts, they instilled a deep sense of responsibility and care for the forest in the hearts of both young and old. In their quest to protect the forest guardians encountered a formidable foe, a group of poachers intent on capturing the rare and magical creatures that inhabited Dongyong. With unwavering determination and the strength of their friendship, they rallied the forest's animals and devised a clever plan to